and read the full video ready in 30 seconds.
Mr. Edward, why does the world still remember the Titanic?
Because it was more than a ship. It was a dream. They called it the greatest ship ever built. People believed nothing could sink it.
After all these years, what do you remember most?
The silence, after the screams. Pride made people believe that the ocean always has the final word.
Same voice, consistent look and professional-like quality. And the biggest thing, I used only one prompt for this. Yes, I didn't have to write scene by scene, nor did I have to change tools again and again. So in today's video, I'll show you step by step how you can also make a complete video from start to end with one prompt, no matter what your topic is. So watch the video till the end, because at the end, I'll also share that exact prompt which handles everything from research to final edit. So let's get started. So to make a video, first of all, we need a script. So I'll give this prompt on GPT. So basically, the most special thing about this prompt is that you will no need to apply different commands to make this bit. You'll just enter your topic and this prompt will prepare the whole video for you from start to end. So inside this prompt, you will get the video title, summary and target audience. According to the topic, you will get the complete story and complete concept, which will have a beginning, middle and ending. Only two main characters will be given so that character consistency is maintained and the video looks more professional. And you'll get complete details for both characters like appearance, personality, clothing and voice style. You'll get a breakdown for every scene so that you know what will happen in which scene and which character will appear. And you'll get a complete script scene by scene which you can use directly. And for every scene, you'll get the video prompts which will include environment, emotions, camera angle, camera movement, lighting and cinematic details. And you will get a ready-to-use voiceover script which you can directly use in any AI voice too. You will get an editing guide which will include music suggestions, sound effects, transitions and pacing tips. Meaning from just one prompt, you'll get everything ready to make professional AI short films or cinematic episodes. So for example, I type horror story and enter it here. Then you can see that I get the video title, story character details, scene breakdown, full script plus AI text to video prompt scene by scene, voiceover script, editing guide, everything in detail. So first of all, we'll go to Flow AI and ready our character. So first, we'll sign up and click on New Project. Now here on the right side, we'll click on the character option. We'll copy the AI prompt from the character details on GPT and paste it here. Now here, you'll click on Selective Voice. Then whichever voice you like according to your character, you'll select it. And after that, we'll set its name. Like GPT suggested Ethan to us here, so we'll keep that. So you can see that our image is ready. Then we'll simply click done here. So in the same way, we'll ready our second character also. We'll click on new character, enter the prompt, set the name, select the voice, and when the image is ready, then we'll click on done. So you can see that both of our characters are ready. So let's move to the next step. Earlier, we also used to generate videos one by one, but now a new feature has come in Google Flow called Agent Mode. In Agent Mode, you will not need to write a separate prompts for each scene. You just paste your story and full script and upload the characters and your complete video will be ready. So for this, simply click on Agent Mode here and it will get activated. And after that, click on the plus icon and we'll add both characters to prompt and select them. And going into its settings, we'll save our settings, like in which aspect ratio you want to make the video, you'll select that. Also, we'll generate the video in Omni Flash only. So when all the settings are done, after that we'll go to GPT, copy our full script and paste it here. And after that, I'll write I want to generate a complete story video featuring Ethan and Lily, create each scene according to the script. So right now I'm generating video of 3 scenes here. That's why 45 credits online have been used. So just simply click on proof, after which it will automatically ready the full video. So all 3 of our videos are ready. Let's go and check them one by one.
This place shouldn't exist.
It's safe inside.
You were waiting here, in this storm? The hallway. It wasn't this long before.
It changes when you remember it.
What are these photos? That's me! You don't appear in the mirror.
Because I am the reflection.
No, this isn't real.
So you can see how amazing these 3 videos have been generated with different camera angles and different camera movements. So now you can simply adjust them in any editing tool and make one complete video. So I generated one more video in the same way. Let's go and see its results too.
Mr. Edward, why does the world still remember the Titanic?
Because it was more than a ship. It was a dream. They called it the greatest ship ever built. People believed nothing could sink it.
After all these years, what do you remember most?
The silence, after the screams. Pride made people believe that the ocean always has the final word. The ship was filled with music, laughter, and hope. Then came the warnings. But nobody disaster was near. Suddenly, we felt a jolt had struck an iceberg.
So did you see? Now the game has completely changed. No hassle of copy-pasting prompts again and again. No tiredness of making each scene separately. Just one click and the full AI short film is ready automatically. And look at the result. In every scene, the characters stay exactly the same, like real actors. Voice runs completely natural and smooth, no break and camera work. Hollywood levels, cinematic angles, and dynamic movements, which make your video feel directly like a professional film. To be honest, now becoming a filmmaker with AI has become the easiest. So for the prompt, I'll give the prompt in the description box. You can pop it from there. So tell me, how did you like this agent mode upgrade of Google Flow? Share your experience in the comments below. If you found this trick useful, then liking and sharing the video is a must. So see you in the next video. Until then, take care.